In this tutorial, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can change a single page to landscape in Microsoft Word. The first thing you need to do is to open Microsoft Word and open the document that you would want to apply these changes to. We'll be using this particular document for my illustration. You can view this as a single page by just clicking on one page and you have it in a single page format. Or if you want multiple pages, you can select this and zoom out to see the full document. The next thing we will be doing is to insert section breaks in our document. You can insert the section breaks on page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. So make sure to put your cursor at the bottom of your first page. Then you head over to layout and select the drop down here which says breaks. Then you click on next page. After successfully inserting the section breaks inside your pages, you head over to the particular page that you would want to apply this landscape layout to. For instance, I want to apply the landscape layout to this particular page. So you make sure to select the page and then you navigate your mouse to layout, the layout tab, click on it, and then head over to orientation and then select landscape. That particular page will be transformed into the landscape format for you. You can do that with the other pages as well. So let me do one more example. Put your mouse or you place your cursor in the page where you would want to transform into the landscape format. Then you head over to layout and on orientation, you go over and select landscape. One thing to note is that if you don't insert the section breaks inside your pages and you select the landscape format from the layout option, all your pages are going to be in a landscape format. You change the entire pages in a landscape format. Let me illustrate that for you to see. So I'll just go over to the home and select a different document. I'll go ahead and view this in one page. Yes, I'll go ahead and view this in one page. So I have this particular document. So for instance, I've decided not to insert the section breaks. Okay. So I'll head over to layout and on orientation, I click on landscape. It's going to change all the pages to landscape. So this is also an easier way for you to easily convert your pages to a landscape format. And in case you want to change it back to portrait, you just go over to layout orientation, select portrait, and you have it back to portrait format for you. Okay. This is how you can easily change a single page to landscape in Word, and you can also change multiple pages to landscape in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful.